So you think cybersecurity is just about typing fast command and stealing data like a movie?
Bro, if typing fast made you hacker, then my little bro would have hacked NASA with his WhatsApp.
Cybersecurity is not about being a cool hacker. It's about solving a real world problem and sometimes crashing your own system at 3 a.m.
What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting system, network, and program from digital attacks, data breaches, and unauthorized access.
Basically, it's digital self-defense. You are the shield, but there is a twist. Cybersecurity is wild. You have got red teamers, blue teamers, bug bounty hunter, digital forensics, and those who just scan ports all day.
Like you. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
How to start cybersecurity? No, you don't have to start with CompTIA Security Plus, which costs for $25.
Seriously, bro? For $25 as a beginner? I would never do that.
Well, start with curiosity. Here is a solid plan. Learn how the internet actually works. Learn Kali Linux. It's your battlefield. Learn programming languages. Start with Python. Now get your hands dirty. Start platforms like Try HaCKiNg, Hack the Box, CTFs. Choose your path, red team or blue team. Here is a simple and clean 6-month roadmap. First 2 months, networking, OSI, TCP/IP, DNS, protocols, ports, Linux plus bash scripting, HTML and JavaScript basics. Second 2 months, App Security plus OAuth top 10, Burp Suite, Nmap, Wireshark, Recon, Python for scripting and automation. Third 2 months, learn about privilege escalation, mistake that most beginner makes. Let's be honest, we all made mistake.
Like installing Kali on your main system and crying when Wi-Fi goes down.
Here are 3 common beginner signs. Jumping strength into tools without understanding the basic. Copy pasting payload without knowing what they does. Not documenting anything. Remember, no notes is equal to no growth.
Remember this. 80% of self-learners quit cybersecurity within the first 3 months due to overwhelm.
Will AI kill cybersecurity? AI is changing the threat landscape. Attackers now using AI for phishing, malware creation, and bypassing security tools.
But AI also helps defenders. AI-driven firewalls, automated log analysis, intelligent threat detection.
So AI is both for you, angel and evil at same time.
Moral of the story, AI won't replace cybersecurity, but people using AI will replace those who don't. Final thought, don't tell people about your goals until you achieve something.
Because your laptop doesn't care about your motivational speech. It only respects, commit, code and crashes.
So stop waiting and start learning. If you have learned even a little thing from this video, imagine what's coming next.
Hit that subscribe button before your hacker career starts without you. See you in the next video.